Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to use this Roborock floor cleaning solution. So it has the brand OMO, but it's made by Roborock, and I'm going to be putting this in my Roborock robot vacuum cleaner. All right, so first let's take the lid off. You do have to kind of push down to get it to come off. We got to take that foil off. Now the mixing ratio is 1 part solution to 300 parts water, and you can use the cap for measuring. So you can use this cap for measuring. And the cap, so 1/3 is about 3 milliliters. So you can put a third cap into 1 liter of water. So here I have the Roborock Qrevo. You've got to add the water manually. So this is the clean water tank. So in here is the clean water. I'll fill this up with water, and I normally do about 2 dabs. I'll go like 1, 2, and that gives about the right ratio. And then the robot will mix the water and the cleaning solution will already be mixed together, and it's going to add it to the internal tank of the robot vacuum cleaner. And when it cleans your floor, it is going to be the proper mixture ratio. I do think it helps a little bit. You can also just use fresh water. You don't have to add solution for these robots. They do a good job without solution, but it does, I think it doesn't have much of an odor to it. And it is a good idea to put the water in first, then add the solution, because if you put the solution in like I did, you will get a bunch of foam when I added the water. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.